Today we're looking at the ProLogic series, ProLogic L22 to ProLogic L68. We're looking at this system in conjunction with our junction box here that is called a CB10A. And you'll see it has a number of components connected to it and a number of inputs. The inputs that we have here is, input number one is the entry pad connection to the module. Then we have the opportunity to connect up to 4 different locks to this module so that we're controlling a number of different locks. In this case we've only got one connected. We have 2 other inputs that in this case we've got looped off, but you could add door sensors here, and we'll show you that in a future video. We have a light here that is for duress. So with the ProLogic series we can enter our code one number higher or one number lower, and it'll send a silent signal, open the lock, and it'll send a silent signal through the module to your alarm panel to let people know that you're under duress and need help. We also have a penalty time indicator here. When we connect this through an alarm system, we could indicate that we're in penalty time, which means someone has entered more than 4 codes in order to try to gain access to the safe lock system, and this would allow us to know that. Finally, we have another input here that is showing door open, door closed. And what we're doing is monitoring the door position, and we're using this, which is a door buzzer that allows us to have a louder alarm system should the door be open for longer than the specified period. Alright, so what we have here is the ProLogic system, the CB10A module, and a EL-0601-S lock system. And what this lock system does is it has internally a reed switch that senses whether the bolt is open or the bolt is closed. We're going to demonstrate here how this system works using a function on the keypad that's called max door open time. We've set the max door open time in a previous video to 1 minute, and we'll show you how that works in conjunction with this module and this particular lock. So first, we'll open the lock using our manager code. This could be any code, but we'll just open with the manager code. The lock is open. I'll open the lock now. The entry pad continues to show the screen, the message on the screen that says the door is open, and you'll see that pop up here every 10 or 15 seconds or so. The door continues to remain open because I'm holding the lock open. Remember, we set the maximum door opening time to 1 minute. So after 1 minute, we'll see what happens with the alarm interface. This will continue to operate and display this message of door open. And what's happening is we're reading the sensor inside this lock, and we're continuing to report that it's open. As soon as the entry pad recognizes that it's beyond the length of time that we've set in the max door open time menu, it will send an alarm signal through to the module box that will set off an alarm that is quite loud, and that will indicate to the users of the safe that the door is still open. And there you are. It's a very loud alarm. You see that the monitor light is going off, and the alarm continues to operate. And that's how the alarm system works with max door open time. We can also AC power the system using this module. Using an AC adapter, we can plug into our AC port here, and the battery then becomes backup, and AC power becomes our primary power.